You just need a coin, and you'll be able to thread any needle in seconds. Threading a needle can be so annoying, right? Especially when you're in a rush. But with this, you'll never have to struggle again. It's quick, it's easy, and you won't need to buy any fancy needle threaders. You'll need just 2 coins and a small piece of copper wire. We'll strip a single strand from the wire. Now, using your hands, carefully bend this strand into a small loop like this. Copper wire isn't only great for electronics or crafts, it's also super handy for making little tools like this one. Tell me where you're tuning in from today. I love seeing how far these tips travel. A big shout out today goes to Mick from London. Thanks for watching. Alright, once you have the loop shape, grab your 2 coins. Place the bent wire right on top of 1 coin, positioning it so the loop sticks out just a little. Now, place the second coin on top to sandwich the wire between them. Coins are great for more than just spare change. They're ideal for making little tools. Their weight and shape make them perfect for small DIY fixes. Next, take a pair of scissors and trim off any excess wire to keep it neat and smooth. Now, to keep everything stable, we're going to wrap a small piece of adhesive tape around the coins. This will make sure the wire stays securely in place between them. With this setup, you've just made yourself a DIY needle threader. Now, grab your needle and push it down so the looped wire goes through the needle's eye right to the bottom. How many times have you struggled with a needle, squinting and twisting, trying to get that little thread through the eye? It's not only frustrating, but also time-consuming. But with this tool, it's easy. All you have to do now is place the end of the thread through the loop in the wire. Then, as you pull the needle back up, the thread slides right through. And there you have it, perfectly threaded every time without the struggle. No more squinting or fighting with frayed threads. You've got a homemade needle threader that works like magic.